Hello YouTube, Heavy Duty Reviews coming to you. This is the Tech MDRX SE 20-inch 223 wild chambering barrel. So it'll shoot 5.56 and 223, which I have right here. These came from Dunham Sports, 120 rounds for just 40 some bucks. Really good deal. Dunham Sports. Shout out to them. So I changed the side eject over to the left hand side because my head will be on the other side of the rifle, and I don't want a empty casing up my nose and hot brass to be hitting me in the face. But it's really simple. You take down take out this pin right to left. You take out this pin right to left. Then you take it tilts up, and then you take out the bolt assembly, and there's a couple other steps that I can't get it on camera because I have a cell phone. I don't have a GoPro camera, or I would have done that. And you basically take the firing pin out, switch over the side plate on the bolt so that it ejects from the other side. You rotate the bolt 180 degrees, you put it all back together, you slide it back in. Well, before you slide back in, you change from this part, you put this part over, it was originally over here, and you change parts. This part was over on the left side, and this part was over on the right. You change them, and that's about it. It is good to go. Got my mag all loaded up with 5.56. It's on safe, and it's not loaded, and the bolt's open, so all you safety Sallies out there. But it comes with two. This is the side eject manual, and it also comes with the regular MDRX manual. And it also has a lifetime warranty on it, which I need to fill out and send in. But function check worked great, no problem. This is going to be an awesome rifle. I should be getting the red dot. I'll post a video after I get that on. Peace, and I'm out.